Okay ma, our next topic is fixed point. Okay, let the transformation W is equal to AZ plus B by CZ plus D, which is Mobius transformation. Already we know that. Suppose you put W is equal to Z, what we get? Z is equal to AZ plus B by CZ plus D. The roots of this equation 1 are called fixed points or invariant points. Another name is invariant points. So for fixed points, you remember put W is equal to Z. You get this equation and roots of this equation are called fixed points. Now this one becomes like this. On cross multiplication you get this one. The next step multiplication. Then this is the equation. Okay ma, this is the process. So in any bilinear transformation, suppose you put W is equal to Z, we get an equation. Find the roots of this equation. These are the fixed points. You remember put W is equal to Z only. We know that W is equal to F of Z. Or that means W is equal to Z means ఎప్పుడైనా F of Z ఇచ్చే కూడా దాని ప్లేస్లో Z పెట్టాలి. W అయినా F of Z అయినా ఒకటే కాబట్టి W కానీ F of Z కానీ తీసేసి మీరు Z సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి దెన్ ఆ వచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ రూట్స్ కనుక్కున్నారంటే దట్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్స్. See the problems ma. First one, find the fixed points of the transformation W is equal to Z minus 1 by Z plus 1. Okay, the roots of above, suppose we put W is equal to Z in the given transformation, what we get? Z is equal to Z minus 1 by Z plus 1. Okay, now roots of this equation are called fixed points. Cross multiplication, Z into Z plus 1 is equal to Z minus 1, Z square plus Z, bring this side, minus Z plus 1 is 0, Z square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now Z square is minus 1, minus 1 means plus I or minus I. So these are the roots of this equation. That's why these points are called fixed points. So what are the fixed points? The fixed points Z is equal to plus I and minus I are fixed point of given transformation. So you remember put W is equal to Z in the given transformation, then find roots, you get the fixed points which are the values of Z. See the second problem. The fixed points of, find the fixed points of transformation, this one. Put W is equal to Z. What we get? Z is equal to Z minus 1 plus I by Z plus 2. Okay, on cross multiplication you get this one. Now bring these terms this side, Z square plus 2Z, this one minus Z అవుతుంది ఈ సైడ్ వస్తే. సో 2Z minus Z means Z minus I this side plus I plus 1 this side minus 1. Okay, this is in the form of AZ square plus BZ plus I minus 1. Okay ma, this is in the form of AZ square plus BZ plus C. This is no term, no Z term, this is called C anamata. So what is A? AZ square 1 into Z square, A is equal to 1, BZ 1 into Z, B is equal to 1, C means I minus 1. Okay, again I repeat ma, on cross multiplication Z into Z plus 2 is equal to Z minus 1 plus I. Now Z square plus 2Z is Z minus 1 plus I. Bring these terms to LHS. Z square plus 2Z minus ZZ minus 1 plus 1 minus I minus I. This is in the form of AZ square plus CZ plus C is equal to 0, where A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1 minus I. This is quadratic equation ma. This is quadratic equation in Z. What is Z? Minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Substitute ABC values, you get Z value is this one. This means minus 1, first take plus, minus root of minus 3 plus 4y by 2, minus 1 minus 3 plus 4i root of by 2. Okay, these are the fixed points. You remember ma, put W is equal to Z, you get a quadratic equation. You get the two roots for this equation. That 2 points, the two values are two roots of Z, which are called fixed points. Okay, same procedure ma. See the third problem. Determine the bilinear transformation whose fixed points are 1 minus 1. Here the problem is different. In first two problems we have given transformation W is equal to in the form of AZ plus B by CZ plus D. just they ask the points. For that purpose you put W is equal to Z. But here we have given fixed points and asked the bilinear transformation. What are the fixed points? Fixed points are root of this equation. Okay, see this one. The given fixed points are Z minus 1. The roots of this transformation is called fixed points when you put W is equal to Z. So put W is equal to Z, then root of this equation are called fixed points. Okay, and then on cross multiplication you get Cz square plus D minus A into Z minus B equal to 0. This is equation 1. These roots are 1 minus 1 we have given. But from algebra, if the roots of equation are 1 minus 1, then its equation is Z plus 1 into Z minus 1. Okay, becomes Z square minus 1 is 0, which implies Z square minus 0Z minus 1 is 0. So what is this equation? This quadratic equation whose roots are 1 minus 1. But this is also equation 1 indicates the roots are these roots are fixed points. So this also indicates the same equation. 1 and 2 equations are same. Why? Because both has roots are 1 minus 1. This equation 2 is equation having the roots 1 minus 1. Equation 1 is having the roots which are fixed points 1 minus 1. So both indicates the equation which have roots 1 minus 1. So compare this equation, compare these two equations. What you get, ma? Compare these two equations, what you get? Okay, ma, here equation 1 whose quadratic equation whose roots are fixed points 1 minus 1. This is equation 2 is also quadratic equation whose roots are 1 minus 1. So both 1 and 2 represents the same equation with roots 1 minus 1. So two equations are same. Compare these 1 and 2 equations. See this comparison here. In 2 equation, in 1 Z square coefficient is C, but in 2 Z square coefficient is 1. So compare these two, we get C is equal to 1. Okay, C is equal to 1. And next last constant ma, minus B is there, minus 1 is there. So equate or compare the constants, you get B is equal to 1. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ బి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 1 ఉంది. సో B is equal to 1. Next see the Z coefficient, here it is 0. Here D minus A is 0. Okay, here D minus A is 0. Okay ma'am, D minus A, Z coefficient D minus A here, here Z coefficient 0. So we have D minus A is equal to 0, which means two values difference is 0. Total, first of all you select that D is equal to 0, A is equal to 0. Now you write this, D is equal to 0, A is equal to 0. So from equation 1 and 2 we get these values. Now what is the required Mobius transformation? That is W is equal to AZ plus B by CZ plus D, which is the bilinear transformation. Okay, we need this transformation. What is the question? Determine the bilinear transformation. So what is bilinear transformation? W is equal to AZ plus B by CZ plus D. Now we find these four values, substitute these values in this function. This is the required Mobius transformation. Now substitute here. W is equal to AZ plus B by CZ plus D, which is A value, D value, B value, C value. You get 1 by Z, which is the required transformation. What is the transformation ma? W is equal to 1 by Z. We know that W is equal to AZ plus B by CZ plus D. This is the required transformation. Substitute these values, you get the transformation. This is the different problem ma. Here we have given fixed points. Fixed points ఇచ్చారు, bilinear transformation ఇది కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు. సో ABCD values find out చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. Let for this transformation for fixed points put W is equal to Z, cross multiplication you get this one. These roots are fixed points 1 minus 1. This is the algebraic equation whose roots are 1 minus 1. So both represents same equation with roots 1 minus 1. So compare the coefficients, we get ABCD values. Substitute in this equation, we get the bilinear transformation, which is W is equal to 1 by Z ma.